Hi everyone. Today, under the basic accounting terminologies theme, we are going to discuss about the liabilities. So, what are liabilities in accounting? So, in accounting, the liability is the legal or financial obligation owed by the business entity which needs to be settled in future. How they will settle it? By paying monetary value, or for example cash, or by transferring goods or services. So liabilities is nothing but the amount which is payable to the creditors of the company. Okay, it is presented in the balance sheet. Now let's understand how in accounting equation it fits in. So accounting equation is assets is equal to liabilities plus shareholders funds, owner's equity. So that both the sides of balance sheet are balanced. Now this was the definition of liability. Now let's